Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy popsicles. First, gather your supplies, your favorite gummy candies, popsicle molds, a microwave-safe bowl, and 1/4 cup of water. This easy method is perfect for a quick, fun treat. We'll transform those chewy candies into a refreshing frozen delight with just a few simple steps. Now let's melt those gummies. Combine about 1 cup of gummies with 2 tablespoons of water in your microwave-safe bowl. Heat this mixture for 30 seconds, then stir well. If it's too thick, add a teaspoon of water at a time and reheat briefly until you reach a smooth, pourable consistency. This ensures your popsicles will be perfectly uniform. With your gummy mixture ready, carefully pour it into each popsicle mold. Make sure not to overfill them. Next, insert your popsicle sticks, ensuring they are centered and standing upright. Once filled, place the molds in the freezer. Allow them to freeze for a minimum of 4 hours, or until they are completely solid. Patience is key for perfect popsicles. To easily remove your frozen gummy popsicles, run the molds under warm water for just a few seconds. Then, gently pull them out. These homemade treats are a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite gummies in a new, refreshing form. They're chewy, sweet, and perfect for a warm day. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.